Good morning to everyone. This is Rajashekar Reddy, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Pavagada. In third semester BCA, we have numerical analysis. So in this numerical analysis, we are going to find the roots of given algebraic equation. In the previous sessions, we discussed about direct methods and we are going to discuss about the iterative methods. In the previous session already we discussed the bisection method. Now we are going to discuss about Newton-Raphson method. Let x naught be an approximate value of the root of an equation f of x is equals to 0. Whether f of x is equals to 0, it may be either algebraic or transcendental equation. Let us consider h be small h be a real number sufficiently very small. If h be very small, let us consider h1 is equals to x naught plus h. We assume that h1 x naught plus h be an exact root of f of x is equals to 0. If h1 be the root, f of h1 is equals to 0. That means f of x naught plus h is equals to 0. Now expanding f of x naught plus h by using Taylor's theorem, then f of x naught plus h is equals to f of x naught plus h into f dash of x naught plus h square by 2 factorial into f double dash of x naught plus so on, that is equals to 0. Since h is very small, by neglecting the terms containing h square and higher powers of h value is very small. Neglecting the term containing h square and higher powers of h, we get f of x naught plus h into f dash of x naught is equals to 0. Then h is equals to minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. So using this, the first approximation of the root given by x1 is equals to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. Similarly, taking x1 as the initial approximation, a better approximation x2 is obtained as x2 is equals to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. Continue this process up to n times, we get better approximation to the root, which is given by xn plus 1 is equals to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn, for n is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This formula we call Newton-Raphson formula or Newton's iteration formula. Now we discuss how to find the real root of a given equation, either it may be algebraic or transcendental, by using Newton-Raphson method. Suppose the given equation is x cube minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0 and given that the root lying between 1 and 2. Now we consider the given equation as f of x, that is equals to x cube minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore f dash of x is equals to 3x square minus 3. Now find f of 1, that is minus 1, which is less than 0. F of 2, that is 3, greater than 0. So we can say that the root lies between 1 and 2. Now we consider f of 1.5. Any value you consider in between 1 and 2, that is 1.5. F of 1.5 is equals to minus 0.125, which is less than 0. That means we can say the root lies between 1.5 to 2, in between 1.5 and 2. Now again consider f of 1.6, that is 0.296, which is greater than 0. So we can say that the root lies in between 1.5 and 1.6. So approximately, to find out the root, choose x0 is equals to 1.5. So x1 is equals to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0. So 1.5 minus f of x0 means minus 0.125 divided by 3.75. That is equals to 1.5333. Again, if you take x2, that is x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. So 1.5333 minus f of 1.533 divided by f dash of 1.533, that is equals to 1.5321. The same process we can repeat for next root x3, that is equals to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. So x3 is equals to 1.5321 minus f of 1.533 divided by f dash of 1.5321, that is equals to, you get 1.5321. So the root we got the same as the previous one. So almost x2 and x3 are very closer. So we can stop and we can say the real root corrected to 4 decimals is 1.5321. Like that, we can measure the real root of the given equation by using Newton